यह है मिस्टर जेवियर। स्पेन के बार्सिलोना के मूल निवासी है और आजकल भारत भ्रमण पर निकले हुए हैं। भारत के तमाम तीर्थ स्थलों के ये दर्शन कर रहे हैं। और ख़ास बात यह है कि बिना पैसे खर्च किए ये पद यात्रा कर रहे हैं। ये लोगों से मिलते हैं, विभिन्न धर्मों के लोगों से मिलते हैं, विभिन्न धर्मों के तीर्थ स्थलों पर जाते हैं। ये नहीं कि केवल मंदिरों में जा रहे हो, ये सिखों के गुरुद्वारे में भी जाते हैं, मस्जिदों में भी जाते हैं, दरगाहों में भी जाते हैं। और ख़ास बात यह है कि इन्होंने हिंदू धर्म को अपनाया है। हाल ही में इन्होंने 14 अक्टूबर 2015 को अपनी पद यात्रा शुरू की। अब तक 29 देशों में जा चुके हैं और सफ़र जारी है, पद यात्रा जारी है। जेवियर का कहना है कि वो अपनी यात्रा ख़त्म करेंगे अमृतसर के स्वर्ण मंदिर में। कल गोगुंदा आए। गोगुंदा आने पर लोगों ने इनका स्वागत किया, लोगों के साथ इन्होंने बात की। माता रानी केबल के महेंद्र बीरवाल के साथ इन्होंने काफ़ी देर चर्चा की, अपने परिवार के बारे में बताया, अपनी यात्रा के बारे में बताया। दिल्ली राजस्थान से बात करते हुए जेवियर ने बताया कि वो एक पुस्तक भी लिखेंगे। उन्होंने क्या कहा आप ही देखिए।
Indians, they have so much garbage that there's lots of garbage in India. That people should take care of that. India is a beautiful country, and you have to conserve beautiful. Because beautiful, if suppose beautiful girl wearing dirty clothes, she's not beautiful. So India is a beautiful, but lots of garbage. So doesn't people don't look like so happy with the garbage. Me, I'm walking. It's not very pleasant to see India very dirty. So don't throw garbage anywhere. Just like this here, and I live in Barcelona, Spain. And I have an Indian name called Deepak. And actually, I came to India for my biogas plants. Somehow, that process was quite long. So I decided to explore India, but not simply explore. So I start going for religious places from one place to another place. So I call this yatra as a Pad Yatra. And since I'm writing a book about India, I have decided to do this Pad Yatra without money. So I'm doing this Pad Yatra without money. Yes. My journey on 14th of October 2015 from Pushkar. And Pushkar is a very religious place and very symbolic place because it's the only place where you have Vishnu temple, Brahma temple. So for me, and then from there I finished till Kanyakumari, and Kanyakumari towards to Leh Ladakh. I finished all 29 states. I did all 4 dham: Badrinath, Kedarnath, Yamunotri, Gangotri, Vaishno Mata, Shivkode, and also I did Jagannath Puri. A part of that, I did lots of all temples, all Gurdwaras. I think Gurdwara is because I feel like my heart is sick, because this religion is quite beautiful from my point of view, because this is the only religion where all religions can come and pray and practice their faith. What I think about India is one of the beautiful country, and it's a very rich country. India has lots of rich assets, rich minerals also, but now India has to know how to utilize their wealth, how to utilize their richness. India has enough water, India has enough gas, India has everything sufficient. That's why India is sufficient country. My opinion, India should unite, because by religiously, by caste system, India is very much divided, you know. If they unite, and not saying that I'm Rajput and other is a Sikh or Maratha or something. If we say we all are Indian first, and if we have this Indian patriotism, so India can be a very potential, and they can fight to their enemy. I wish all Indians should feel proud and to contribute themselves to clean India, because you know, wherever I go I see big heap of garbage everywhere. So I think Indians should integrate with a government plan to clean India, because India is a beautiful country and they have to keep it clean.